Today I will show you on how to use the web importer of Mendeley and how to add file using Mendeley desktop, your PDF file, and if you have a book, how to add the book information in Mendeley desktop. So let's start. Okay, first you need to open the Mendeley. So it is in your desktop computer, in your desktop. Double click. So once you double click, since you already logged in, it will automatically log in using your account. And now we will try to add our file in Mendeley desktop. So I have this folder. I will drag the file into the Mendeley software. Okay, and then once it is downloaded in the Mendeley software, when you click the file, you can see the information at the right side. So check what kind of uh, research is this one, the reference document is this one. You can double click and check individual field if it is correct or not. So simple to use the Mendeley for referencing. And after this one, we will try to, if the information is okay, you can edit this one later on. Just put the important field. Now we will try to add our file using the add file in the file menu bar of Mendeley. But first we will try to search an article and we will download it. So try. I am using Science Direct website. Okay. Click the file and then this file we will save this one. So right click and save the file. Okay, save the file. Now we will add this file using Mendeley software. Okay, so go to file, then add. Locate the file, then add the file. So as you can see, the same way. Double click and check the fields and try to check if all the fields are correct. So simple to add file using Mendeley. So if you already have these PDF files, you can add it in Mendeley software and check the reference or the fields of your reference document. And the next one, we will try to add a research article, or we will try to add manually a book. So I have a book here, so we will add it manually. I don't have the PDF file of this book, so I need to add it manually by writing the information here. So just write the important information of the book. So if you read a book, you need to get the information of the book and then add it manually in the reference software or Mendeley reference software. So if finished, click the button and it will display in your Mendeley software. Okay, if you click that one, you can see the information on the right side. So after this one, we will go to the web importer. So if you have the browser, we'll try to search an article using our browser. Example, okay, this article, and then click the PDF file to download, but we will not download it here. So we will not right click and download the file. We will use the web importer to add automatically to our Mendeley software. So click the button at the top, the Mendeley button, and then you need to log in using your account. So I will use my account, and then here you have now the information. That is okay, save. And now the very important part here is you need to click the sync in order that the data from the web it will goes here, when the data in the desktop will goes to your web account. So now you have now the data here. Double click and try to check if the fields are correct. So very simple to use the Mendeley software to have your database of your information. Please click and subscribe for our next presentation on referencing.